Okay, I'm starting the video. Alright,
Make another party. Who's this guy?
just kick him.
I can't, you are.
Alright, let's just start the game.
Alright, everyone has to listen to what I do.
So, what story we doing?
Everyone, you have to grab your own warthog.
Yeah.
And you drive it up to a certain point, stop there and take out all the enemies around. Don't drive it in full hand, whatever you want to call it.
I hope I'm a connection host.
Hey guys, do you know there's an area of this mission which has slender music?
Really?
Yeah, it's a secret area that I know. If you be silent and listen, it sounds like slender after you get your first page. I'm just gonna go grab the sniper rifle.
I was gonna grab that because,
Okay,
yeah.
I'll just grab a D.
How many snipers are there? Yeah, what
There's
we should
one.
do is actually look for hidden weapons.
Huh? Sniper, where? Can I get a sniper?
You'll have to ask Treehouse.
Treehouse, where's the sniper?
Otherwise, you grab it?
I've got one.
There is only one.
Oh, that's
What
good.
about the sword?
Well, let's head on.
There's a crevice we can use to get through the rocks over there. See the waypoint on your HUD.
Who got the saw?
I'm picking
Saw.
friend's
I
mission.
don't remember where that is.
Covenant.
I don't think so. The pattern's different.
Okay,
Alright, everyone.
stepwise.
Triangulate is
Stepwise, so we need to grab a separate warthog each.
Yeah.
Okay, if you follow me, I'll take you to the area where it kinda sounds like slender.
Alright, everyone, follow Treehouse.
But you have to be silent.
Yeah.
It does it every few seconds. No.
There's not enough warhogs. Oh, hop on with you,
Okay,
Treehouse.
Chief? About my condition,
Treehouse, do you want me
I
to
didn't-
drive? I'm not lagging.
it's a complete long shot, but since you brought it
What?
up,
Do you want me to drive? I'm not lagging.
I'll hop in.
for my rampancy.
Go.
Well, as far as you know, I'm the only AI, a clone of Dr. It may be possible to recompile my neural net by replicating those same conditions. But that means getting back to home.
Alright, there should be a... Ow! There's...
A warthog.
Like... Alright, there's a warthog there.
Grab.
Got a convoy.
Yes.
Oh, a bunch of warhogs.
Alright, when Treehouse stops at a certain point, stop.
Slow down. Look, another warthog. Another warthog. Asshole. We'll wait for the other guy. He's got it. Okay, let's go. Hey, stop. Okay. Yeah, follow me. lag.
Chief,
That's not it. Next one of those.
stronger this time.
Where is it?
There's something to it.
I'm curious. Its behavior is
Up here.
odd.
Up here. Back up here. Now be quiet and just listen.
I can't hear because someone's knocking. That's fucking weird.
Yeah, I know. I just heard a boom.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know.
it
It's
does
when you
that
go.
every few seconds like Slender. It's a Slender Easter egg.
Oh, I'll record this video in the sound of Slender.
Everyone, park your warthog there, where I am.
Oh, stop moving it.
Treehouse reversed it. Too close.
Yeah. Don't so head my neck. I'm a psycho killer. Normal.
Alright, we move up to next stage.
What the fuck? Okay, really, really bad lag.
Yeah, I'm sound lag too.
I need to find my guns. That shouldn't have blown me up. Damn it. I stole his saw. I stole Epic Gamer's saw.
Alright guys, someone go take out that elite.
Hold on, I'll take it out.
Yo, what's up, homies?
Hey, who wants to use it to throw it against these guys?
Alright, once this video gets to 10 minutes, I'm gonna call. Stop it.
What's up, nigga?
Oh, Treehouse, turn your connector.
No. Fucking lag. This is way too laggy. Okay, I have a ghost.
Come on. Yeah, it's up to 9 minutes, so... 10 minutes I'm pausing it, and no one moves, and I'll make part 2.
Okay, got my
If we're
stop.
going to hijack a ship to these Covenant, we're going to have to find where they're first.
I don't suppose you have a plan for that.
We could always ask.
Asking's not my strong suit.
I'll push you forward stepwise.
Yep. Oh, I'm flying, everyone! I'm flying!
And that's why they call me Super Ghost.
No, they don't.
Shut up!
Hey! Hey! Oh! Oh no!
Damn, I was trying to blow it up on you. That worked.
The energy sword, man.
Oh no, no,
Oh, for
no, no,
fuck's
no.
sake.
Thanks, asshole. Dickhead.
Drop his camera. Let's have a look.
Oh, you fucking idiot.
Who did I just run over?
Me, but don't pick up my energy
Oh.
sword.
I'll
The
run
eyes
a
there.
to it from the suit. Never know what might come in
No,
handy.
It's
don't
okay.
tree us.
Sorry. What are you doing? Bring in the vehicle.
We're super.
Where's that phantom signal?
We're gonna be super.
Stop it.
Lad. No, don't destroy the ghost.
Well,
It's one of our only hopes.
don't you dare run me over. Don't you dare.
Sentinels.
I wondered when they'd show up.
Don't pick up the stairs.
There, Chief. A console in the back.
Okay, I need to pause the video. This is part